Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account with MCAP Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mcap.com/mymcap and then press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for your MCAP Mortgage account. So just type in your username that you have set while creating your account in the first place within the username box. Then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your MCAP Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, then you can click on having trouble signing in button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on My MCAP Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.